before start the class, let's we recap what we have done in the previous class. Okay children, what is addition? Addition means putting two or more numbers together, isn't it? What about properties? Which is the first property? Adding 0. Then adding 1. Next, adding 2 numbers and adding 3 numbers. Even we learned about adding 10, adding 100 and adding 1000. Yes, I start the class with a small story. A father with his two children, Pooja and Rahul, went to the shopping mall to buy dresses for Diwali. Pooja selected a dress which cost about 1345 rupees. Even Rahul also selected a dress which cost is 1250. Then father came to them and asked how much of amount he has to pay to the shopkeeper. Then Pooja replied, I know I have to add, but I know addition of 3-digit number. I didn't learn addition of 4-digit number. Yes children, how do we add the 4-digit number? Okay, today we are going to learn about addition of 4-digit number. Now we learn addition of 4-digit number. Yes children? Addition of 4-digit numbers. Method of adding 4-digit numbers is same as adding 3-digit numbers. Let's we add two amounts which bought by the Pooja and Rahul. Cost of a dress which bought by the Pooja is 1345 rupees. The cost of a dress which bought by the Rahul is 1250. To add these two amounts, we write one number below the other according to their place values. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Addition should start ones place always. Then first we add the ones column. In ones column there are 5 ones and 0 ones. 5 plus 0. Yes children, 0 property. When we are adding 0 to any number, the sum is the number itself. So 5 plus 0 is 5. So we write the 5 in ones column down. Then go to the tens column. In tens column there are 4 tens and 5 tens. 4 tens and 5 tens. Isn't it children? 4 plus 5. Yes, 5. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 tens. 9 tens we write in the tens column down. Then go to the 100. In hundreds place there are 300s plus 200s. 300 plus 200. 3 after? Yes, 4, 5. Means 500s. So we write 500 in hundreds column down. Then go to the thousands column. In thousands column there are 1000 plus 1000 is 2000. So 2 we write in the thousands column down. Then what will be the total amount? 2595 rupees. This amount the father has to pay to the shopkeeper. Yes children? Method of adding 4-digit number is same as the adding 3-digit number. Let us see with one example. Here they given the two numbers of 4-digit numbers. To add these two numbers we have to write one number below the other exactly respect to their places. Yes children, already we have written here. Already we have arranged here two numbers according to their places in columns. Isn't it? Now adding. Only left first we add the ones column. Why? Because addition should start from ones place always. So we add ones column. In ones column there are 2 ones plus 6 ones. 2 plus 6. 2 after 6. Yes? 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 we write under ones column. Okay children? Then go to the tens column. Tens column there are 3 tens plus 1 10. 3 tens. Already you know that. Adding 1 property. Yes? So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 tens. So we write 4 tens under tens column. Okay children? Then go to the hundreds column. In hundreds column there are 4 hundreds plus 200. 4 plus 2. 4 after 5, 6. So 400 plus 200 is 600. The 600. The 6 we write under 600, hundreds column. Okay children. Then go to the thousands column. In thousands column there are 5000 plus 3000. 3, 5 after 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8000. Okay children. So we write 8 under thousands column. The answer is what? 8648. Okay. Now the result of addition is called sum or total. Okay children. So the result of addition is called sum or total. And these numbers are called addend 1, addend 1, and this is addend 2. Whichever the numbers are adding 2. Okay children. Now this is the result of addition is called sum or total. Okay children, it's fine. This is sum or total. These are the addend 1 and addend 2. Then what about this one? Without regrouping we have written. Why we are writing the without regrouping? See here, in ones column we got the only one digit number 8. Here also we got the one digit number 4. Here also we got the 6. Here also we got 8. So in this answer, in the sum or total, we got only one digit number. One digit numbers are 0 to 9. Yes, we didn't get anywhere two digit number. See, if we get 10 is the two digit number, isn't it? If we get 10 or more than 10, then we regroup to next places. Suppose if we get the 10 in ones column, 10, then 10 ones is equal to 110. That will be regrouped to tens column. So we do not get anywhere here 10 or more than 10. So that's what this addition is called, addition without regrouping. Okay children? Yes children? Just now we learned addition without regrouping. Now we will learn addition with regrouping. Yes? Let us see with one example. Here there are given the two numbers of 4-digit numbers. Now already I have arranged here one number below the other respective their places. Okay? Let us add that. Addition should start from ones place always. So first we add the ones column. In ones column there are 9 ones and 6 ones. 9 plus 6. This is 6. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9 plus 6 is 15. Do we write 15 here? No. Why? Because in ones place there were only 0 to 9 numbers only. 9 digits only can fit. Okay. So 15 ones. We can write as 10 ones plus 5 ones. Okay children. So that 10 ones is equal to 110. Yes. How many ones are left over? 5. That 5 we write under ones column. Okay. Then what about these 10? What about this 110? That 110 we regroup to tens column. Means we are adding one more 10 into the tens column. Okay. Now we add the tens column. In tens column there are 8 tens plus 2 tens. Yes. 8 after 9, 10. Means here 8 plus 2 is 10. But one more 10 is added. Means regrouped here. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1, 11. 11 is again 2-digit number. So 11 tens. Yes, 11 tens we can write as 10 tens plus 110. Okay children. 10 tens plus 110. The 10 tens is equal to, means 10 tens 100. Yes, that is equal to 100. Yes children. 10 tens is equal to 100. Yes. Then what about this 110? Here it is 10 tens is equal to 100. Okay. Then what about this 110? That 110 is left over. That 110 we write under tens column. And these 100 we carried over, means regrouping to hundreds column. Okay children. Now we add the hundreds column. In hundreds column there are 5 and 7. 500 plus 700. Yes, this is the 7. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Yes, 1200, but one more 100 is regrouped. 1200 plus 100 is 1300. 1300 we do not write here, isn't it? Again, 1300 we can write as 10 hundreds plus 300. Okay, 300s. Here is also 10 hundreds is equal to 10 into 100. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. Okay, children. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. Then what about this 300? That 300 we write under hundreds column. Yes. Then what about this 1000? This 1000 we regroup to thousands column. Means we are adding 1000 into the thousand column. Okay, children. Now in thousands column, what are the numbers are left? What are the? Yes. What are the digits are left? 4 and 3. 4000 plus 3000. 4000 plus 3000. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 and one more 1000 is added here. 7000 plus 1000 is 8000. 8000. Okay, children. Now, what is the result here? 8350. Okay. This is the sum or total. Result of addition is called sum or total. Okay, children. These are addeds. Children, just now we learned about addition of 4-digit number without regrouping and with regrouping. Yes. Now we practiced some more problems in Magic Drill 2.2. Okay, children. Here some problems are given. Already numbers are arranged in columns respect to their places. Let us add. The first problem is here 3605 and 2391. Now first we add the ones column. In ones column there are 5 ones plus 1 1. 5 ones plus 1 1 is 6 ones. Yes. Adding one property. Yes, children. Yes. Then go to the tens column. In tens column there are 0 tens plus 9 tens. 0 plus 9 is 9. It is also 0 property. 0 is added to any number. The sum is the number itself. So 0 plus 9 is 9. Isn't it? Then go to the hundreds column. In hundreds column there are 600s and 300. 600 then second. Means the second digit is 3. 300 we take on fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. So 900s we write under hundreds column. Okay, children. Then go to the thousands column. In thousands column there are 3 and 2. 3000 plus 2000. 3000, 2000. 3 after 4, 5. 5000. Yes, children. Now the total is 5996. Okay, then go to the second problem. As a B problem here. Now here in the second problem they given the 3 addends. Okay. Now first we add the ones column. In ones column there are 3 ones, 1 ones and 0. 3 ones plus 1 1 is 4 ones. Adding one property. 4 plus 0 is 0 property. 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay. So 4 we write under ones column. Then go to the tens column. In tens column there are 2 tens plus 5 tens plus 1 ten. 2 tens plus 5 tens. It is 5. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Yes, children. 8 we write under tens column. Then go to the hundreds column. In hundreds column there are 5 hundreds plus 0 hundred plus 200. 500 plus 0 hundred is 500. 500 plus 200. 6, 7. So 700. Okay, children. Then go to the thousands column. In thousands column there are 2000 plus 4000 plus 1000. 2 plus 4. 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1. 7. The total is 7784. Yes, children. Now go to the third problem. Let's see problem here. First we add the ones column. In ones column 6 ones plus 9 ones. 6 ones plus 9 ones. It is the 9. Okay. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 is 2-digit number. So we do not write the 2-digit number here. Why? Because here in this place 0 to 9 digits only you can fit here. Okay, children. Then 15 ones. So 15 ones we can write as 10 ones plus 5 ones. So 5 ones we can write here. Yes, 5 we write under ones column. Then 10 ones. 10 ones is equal to 110. That 110 we regroup to tens column. Means tens column we added one more 10. Already in tens column there are 7 tens plus 4 tens. 7 plus 4 is 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. One more 10 is added. Plus 1, 12. So 12 tens. Here 12 tens also we do not write here. Why? Because 2 digits we can't write here. Okay children, then 10 plus 2. 10 tens is equal to 100. And 2 tens. The 2 tens we write here under tens. Then 10 tens is equal to 100. That 100 we write in hundreds column. Regrouping. Okay. Now we add the hundreds column. In hundreds column there are 9 and 8. 9 plus 8. Okay children. You see here it is 8. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 plus 8 is 17. 1700. And one more 100 is regrouped. 1800. 17 plus 7 is 18. 1800. 1800 do we write here? No. Here also same. So 10 plus 8. 1000 plus 800. 1000 is 2 digit number. 800 is 1 digit number. So we can write 800 here. 1000. Then what about 1000? 1000 is equal to 1000. 1000. 10 into 100. 10 into 100 is 1000. 1000. That 1000 regrouped to thousands column. Means we are adding one more 1000 here. Okay. Then we add the thousands column. In thousands column there are 3 and 5. It is 5. 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay children. What is the total? 9,825. Okay. Then we go to the fourth problem. SD problem. You have 3 addends are given. Okay. First we add the ones column. In ones column there are 7 ones, 9 ones and 5 ones. 7 plus 9. First we add the 7 and 9. Okay. Then we add the 5. 7 plus 9. Yes children, it is 9. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 7 plus 9 is 16. Then we add the 5. 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 ones. Oh, it is also 2 digit only. But 21 ones. 10 ones we know that. 10 ones is equal to 110. 20 ones is equal to 210. 30 ones is equal to 310. 40 ones is equal to 410s. Okay children. So here we got the 21 ones. 20 ones. 20 ones is equal to 2 tens. So we regroup to tens column. How many ones are left over? Only one. That one we write under ones column. Okay children. Then go to the tens column. In tens column there are again 8 tens plus 1 10 plus 3 10. 8 plus 1 we know that. 9. 9 plus 3. 10, 11, 12. 12. But again 2 more tens are added in this. Means regrouped. So 12 tens plus 2 tens. 14 tens. Isn't it? 14 tens do we write here? No. We do not write 14 directly here. Why? Because as the 2 digit number. Isn't it? So 14 how do we write? 10 plus 4. 10 tens plus 4 tens. 4 tens is a single digit. So we can write here 4. But 10 tens, what about 10 tens? 10 tens is equal to, means 10 into 10. 10 tens is equal to 100. That 100 we can regroup to hundreds column. Yes? Means we are adding one more 100 into 100 column. Okay children? Now we add the hundreds column. What are the hundreds column? In hundreds column there are 900, 600 and 400. 9 plus 6. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 4. 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. But one more 100 is added. 20, See here. 10, is equal to, we know that 10, 10 into 100,000. 20, 20 into 100. Yes. 2000. So, we regroup to, means 2000 we are adding into thousands column. That is called it regrouping. Isn't it children? Now, here any hundreds are left over? No. No children. So, we are writing the 0. Then, add the thousands column. In thousands column there are 3, 2, 1. 3000 plus 2000 plus 1000. 3 plus 2. 3. 3 after 4, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8000. The total is 8041. Here, as we got the zeros, that's what we are not reading 100. Okay. 8041. Okay, children. Then go to the fifth problem. First we add the ones column. 3 plus 0. 0 property. 3 plus 0 is 3. Yes. 2 plus 6. It is 6. 2 after 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 we write in tens column. Then hundreds. 5 plus 0 is 5. Yes, children. 4 plus 1. It is adding 1 property. Yes, 5. The total is 5583. Okay, children. Now we are going to practice the second bit. In first bit, already they have arranged addends in columns. Then we added, we added. But in this bit, we are going to arrange addends in columns. Okay. Now see here. The first problem, they given the 3 addends. Now we have to arrange these 3 addends into the column. Already I have written the ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So the first number 2768. 8 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 7 is in hundreds place, 2 is in thousands place. Okay, children? Then second addend. Second addend is 3-digit number. 897. 7 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 8 is in hundreds place. Then go to the third addend, which is 5231. Okay, children. 1 is in ones place. Yes, 1 is in ones place. 3 is in tens place. 2 is in hundreds place. 5 is in thousands place. Now we will add. Yes, children. Okay. First we add the ones column. In ones column there are 8 ones plus 7 ones plus 1 1. 8 ones plus 7 ones is 8. It is 7. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. Do we write 16 here direct? No. Why? Because 0 to 9 digits only can fit in the ones place. So 16 we do not write. So 16 we can write as 16 ones is equal to 10 plus 6 means 10 ones plus 6 ones. Okay. 10 ones plus 6 ones. The 10 ones plus 6 ones. Okay, children. The 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. The 6 ones is left over. The 6 we write here and the ones column. That 110 regroup to tens column. Okay, children. Now we add the tens column. In tens column there are 6 tens, 9 tens and 3 tens. First we add the 6 and 9. Okay. It is 9. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 3. 16, 17, 18. 18. 110 is added. Means regrouped. Yes, children. 18 plus 1 is 19. So 19 tens. Do we write here 19 tens directly? No. So 19 tens we can write as 10 plus 9. Okay. 10 tens plus 9 tens. Yes, children? So the 10 tens we can write as 100. So we group to 100 and only 9 tens is left over. So 9 we write under tens column. Then go to the hundreds column. In hundreds column there are 7, 8, 2. 700 plus 800. Just now I added here in ones column. 8 plus 7. Here 7 plus 8. Yes, children. Adding of two numbers. If we add only just we change the order, the sum remains the same, no? Same. 8 plus 7 we got the 15. So here also we will get 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2. 16, 17. 17 and 100 is added here. 18. 1800. 1800. Do we write here? No. We do not write 1800 direct. So 1800. 1800 is equal to 10 plus means 1000 plus 800. The 1000, how do you write? 1000 is equal to 1000. Yes, 800 is left over. The 8 we write under hundreds column down. Then 1000 we regroup to thousands column. Means we are adding 1000 to the thousands column. 2 plus 5. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So children here, 8896. Yes, this is the total. This is the answer. What we got the answer? 8896.